The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate through the KE2 evaporator efficiency controller to configure the fourth temperature input to be either a air temperature input, coil temperature input, a monitoring point. Again, before you start this process, you'll want to plug in that fourth temperature sensor on the back side of the controller. So to start, basically you want to start where it says the room temperature reading of the space. To make sure that you're at that point, you press the back button a couple of times to make sure that you are displaying the room temperature. From here, you can navigate right or left to go to the set points column header, which is STPT. Hit the enter key button or the down button to enter this column. What you'll find is that if you haven't put the password in yet, it's going to prompt you for the password. Hit the enter button down one time and it'll give you the access to enter that password. All you need to do then is press the up or down arrow key to change the digit readout, and the right or left column to change the digit at which you need to change. Hold the enter button down for 3 seconds once you have the 2222 password in the readout, and now you have access to change anything within that set points column. Again, we're looking for the fourth temperature to configure on this particular example. So we're going to roll down to T4TP, which is the temperature number 4. Hit the enter button. It tells you how it's configured currently, which is off, meaning this particular one has been disabled. Hold the enter key down for 3 seconds. The configuration will start to blink. You can scroll up or down to see the different options: coil temperature readout, an air temperature readout, or a monitoring point. In this case, we want to make it an additional air temperature sensor for the space. So we're going to hold the enter key button down again for 3 seconds. That's taken that configuration. We're going to hit the back button, basically to get back to the room temperature readout. We now have 2 temperature sensors for the room space. One that's on the return air side of the evaporator coil, and the other one we can drop in another area of the space.